Our students here are going to learn math that is related to industry. They're going to learn welding blueprint reading, which only welders can read our blueprints. They're also going to walk out of here with the ability or with knowledge of financial responsibility, learning about finances and how to manage their finances once they graduate, because they are going to make a lot of money. The average for the last 3 years, our students are making about $22.60 an hour walking out the door. A lot of students in the past 20 years plus that have walked in here knew absolutely nothing about welding, and they walk out and they're employable, and they go to work and they're able to maintain a job and a career, and they can actually go someplace and stay there for a lifetime.
Typically, students leave the program and go directly into a career. They will be able to go into almost any company and turn on and operate the equipment to the employer's desire. They will leave with a 10-hour OSHA card. They will be able to go into union and non-union. We currently have 5 major unions and 20 non-union companies that are currently taking our graduates. I graduated this class a long time ago, and I spent 20 years in the career. I love teaching people to weld, and I love seeing so many women in this field. It's amazing. I mean, if you have any artistic ability, you can bring it in. You can make almost anything that you can think of.
Students are going to walk out of here with the basic knowledge in stick welding, which is shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, which is also known as TIG or HeliArc. They'll also be able to operate gas metal arc welding machines. They'll learn about plasma cutting and how to use a hand torch and cut with it, and they'll walk out with all those skills. Even the one-year seniors that walk out, their placement rate's above 99%.